Hello, and welcome to Quick English. My name is Kelly, and I'm so happy you're here. Today, we are going to learn basic English greetings. These are simple phrases you can use to say hello to someone. Let's begin. The most common way to greet someone in English is hello. Can you say it with me? Hello. Great job. You can also say hi. Let's try it together. Hi. Both hello and hi mean the same thing. You can use them any time of the day. Now, let's learn some greetings based on the time of day. In the morning we say, good morning. Repeat after me. Good morning. In the afternoon we say, good afternoon. Try it. Good afternoon. And at night we say, good evening. One more time. Good evening. Well done. Now, let's learn how to say goodbye. The most common word is goodbye. Say it with me. Goodbye. You can also say, see you later. Let's say it together. See you later. And if you are going to bed, you can say, good night. Repeat. Good night. Let's review what we learned today. Hello and hi. General greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, time of day. Goodbye, see you later. Good night. When leaving. Great work. You are already speaking English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on new videos.